Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk delete all the apps from your iPhone home screen. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can see I have tons of apps on here that I don't necessarily want. Now, you have a couple different options. One option is you can press and hold on an app, and after you've done that, you can hit Edit Home Screen, and you'll be able to see all the little minus symbols. Now, you have two options. You can hit the minus symbol, and you can remove it from the home screen if you wanted to keep it on your phone, or you could hit delete if you wanted to delete it from your phone. But let's say in this case, I just wanted to remove it from that home screen and have a fresh, clean look. However, you can see this works kind of slowly. I have to tap on the minus every single time. There is a faster way to be able to delete all of those apps. To be able to do that, let's say on this page, what you're going to do is use two fingers here. So first, I'm going to press and hold on an app. Let's say this one. It doesn't matter what it is until it starts to jiggle. So let's move it around. There we go. Until it starts to jiggle. Now, with my finger still pressing and holding on that, I'm going to press on this app. And you can see it automatically puts it into a folder on this app. So I can just keep pressing all of these. You can see how quick it is to press all of them. And now on this finger, it's still holding down. I'm going to swipe over to the right until I get to the app library and then drop my finger. Just like that, it puts them all back in the app library. And then I can go back to this page, again, press and hold on this. And then I'm just going to tap on all of these apps to put them all in a folder together. And then swipe over to the right until I get to the app library, let go. And just like that, I can hop out of here and I've removed all of those apps from that home screen. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.